now that I've cut contact, she's been showing up at my apartment building, creating new social media accounts just to watch my stories. She even sent a gift to my job last week with a note that said, "You can't avoid me forever." Oh. And is there anything that I can do to get her to stop?
Setting boundaries with a parent, it can be really, really difficult. And the fact that she's ignoring those boundaries, escalating, and even showing up at your work, that's not okay. So in California, there are definitions of abuse defined in the Family Code 6203 and 6320. And within that latter Family Code statute, there's a term called disturbing the peace that can qualify somebody for a temporary restraining order. And that behavior includes things like harassment, stalking, any behavior that really disrupts your emotional well-being and your ability to live freely and without being inundated with that anxiety. So things like showing up uninvited, sending unwanted messages, stalking you over social media, all of that can be used as evidence in a request for a domestic violence restraining order, which, if granted, can at least make those behaviors a violation of a restraining order. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that's already helpful because I thought domestic violence restraining orders were only for romantic partners.
A lot of people think that. No, so it can include any immediately family members within your household related to you within the second degree of consanguinity. That's basically anybody related to you within like a parent-child relationship, sibling relationships, grandparent-grandchild relationships, and then anything that's a step relationship. The marriage that qualifies that just needs to be active.